Hello everyone, welcome to Curdway. Today we are going to see a web application which is especially created for the visually impaired employees using the assistive technology, which is generally a text to speech. So in this application we are going to use the keyboard arrow key where it is defined. So let's see the prototype. So here in web application it is written try from keyboard, press down arrow to proceed. So we are not able to use mouse here. So I am pressing down arrow key from my keyboard.
Welcome to Assistive Web App. Press down key to proceed. Thank you.
So here it is an instruction. Press down key to proceed. So I'm pressing a down key from my keyboard.
Sign in.
And here
Press down arrow.
you will get a text-to-speech voice, a selected one, and this speech. This volume icon indicate it is speaking. So generally we are in sign in, and here it is a selected one where we are getting the text to speech. So now I am pressing arrow key from my keyboard to move next.
Enter password. Press down arrow key from keyboard to enter password. Type password.
So here is one alert sound, means they can understand this is the field where they have to type, and even it is mentioned here type password.
Enter password. Press down arrow key from keyboard to enter password. Type password.
So now suppose if I have written
N-A Naveen.
So here I have written the password. Actually, while they are using the application, they used to have the headphone, so it is not like password is getting out. So they can listen and they can move to the next. So this password is done.
You
Now,
have entered password is Naveen. Please press enter to confirm and sign in, or press up arrow to type again.
so suppose if I want to change a password, so we can move up
Type password.
and we can change it. But we have written the right password.
Naveen.
So we can move next.
You have entered password is Naveen. Please press enter to confirm and sign in, or press up arrow to type again.
So we are pressing the enter key to confirm and sign in.
Welcome to dashboard. Press down arrow.
So here instruction is press down arrow.
How to use this application. Press enter key to go in details. Or press down arrow key to move next.
So it is a linear flow where we'll get the selected list as a text to speech. So in dashboard we have the mainly three module, like how to use this application, help related to internet banking, and help to buy insurance. So first we'll go how to use this application, and once we are going to move through the keyboard like this.
Help related to internet banking.
And
press enter key to go in details. OR press down arrow key to move next.
So while we are moving arrow up and down, it is getting selected.
How to use this
And
application.
text-to-speech is
Press
working.
enter key to go in details. OR press down arrow key to move next.
So enter to select.
Step 1 use keyboard keys. Step 2 up arrow move list to UP. Step 3 down arrow move list to down. Step 4 enter to select and go inside list as details sans. Step 5 use tab key to take print where print is applicable. Thank you.
So after completing this, if we want to print, means wherever we are getting a word print, so we can press enter and it will print that document. And step 1 use keyboard keys. Step 2 up arrow move list to up, down arrow move list to down, and then enter to select. So moving next through the arrow,
Go back to dashboard.
so dashboard is selected. We are pressing enter.
Welcome to dashboard. Press down arrow.
Means we are in a dashboard.
Help
Now
related to internet banking.
So help related to internet banking. I'm pressing enter.
Enter customer ID. Press down arrow key to type customer ID. Type customer ID.
So suppose I have taken here
110. Enter customer name. Press down arrow key to type customer name. Type customer name. Ram.
So now here we have the customer ID 10 and customer name Ram, just suppose, and we move to the search field.
Search. Press enter key to search customer details. OR press down arrow key to move next option.
So here I am searching.
Customer search result. Customer name Ram. Customer ID 10. Internet banking. Health. Internet banking is blocked because of KYC documents are not submitted. Press enter key to print KYC form.
So suppose if I want to press or print KYC form, so we can enter the enter key, so it will print the KYC form. Next, if
Search
we want
again.
to search again, so it will
Enter
come to
customer ID. Press down
menu.
arrow key to type customer ID.
And if we don't want to search again, we can move to the
Go
dashboard.
back to dashboard. Welcome to dashboard. How to use this. Help related to internet banking. Help to buy insurance.
So now moving to the help to buy insurance menu.
Types of insurance available with us.
So here we have mainly two category. Selecting one.
General insurance. Life insurance. Go back to dashboard.
So it will go back to the dashboard again because it is kind of linear flow. We can't give like a back to top or somewhere. So if they want to select one of the option like general insurance or life insurance, and they want to move back, like here we'll go just one step back. That is a dashboard which we have selected.
Welcome to dashboard. Press down arrow. Help to buy insurance.
So once again we'll move to the help to the buy insurance.
Types of insurance available with us. General
Here,
insurance.
General insurance will go one by one. So general insurance is selected. Now we need to enter general insurance to go in detail.
General insurance available with us.
So now,
Health insurance. Press enter key to go in details or press down key to move another insurance.
So it
Health
will give
insurance.
instruction also. Means,
Press enter key to go in details or R press down key to move another insurance. Home insurance. Press down arrow key to move next option. Health insurance. Press enter key to go in details or R press. Health insurance documents required to buy health insurance plan.
And if we want to print a health insurance form or a plan, so we can press enter.
Press enter to go back general insurance menu.
Or either
press down arrow key to move next options.
General insurance. So you can see here it is a kind of the complete linear flow. It is easy to handle through the keyboard.
Press enter to go back general insurance menu. General insurance available with a health insurance.
So we are selecting the motor insurance. So where we can press and they can use this.
Press enter to go back general insurance menu. Press down arrow key to move next options. Press enter to go back general insurance menu. Press enter to go general insurance available with us. Health insurance. Press enter key to go in details or R press down key to move another insurance.
So it is a kind of like a very easy flow or a linear flow where they can get to know in which module they are, or if they want to take out the print, so they can press enter and they can have the printout and they can give to the customer to fill up the form, and they can complete their work like a KYC document and all. So it is easy application for visually impaired people who are working on a bank sector, somewhere like a health insurance or any kind of. So they can move through the keyboard, no need of mouse. So and text to speech is very easy to understand the navigation part.
Go back to welcome to dashboard.
So like that we can include multiple kind of modules here. I have created a case study also. So let's move to the case study. So I will add this link in comment. So you can have that case study also. So what all things is required to create and how the flow is working. So if we go to the theory and concepts, so here if we look at the mental model, so how the assumptions, how the things will work, how their user perceptions will work here. Suppose if we look at this just an example, when a user is starting with application get speech to text or a screen reader to know where they are current page, like we have seen in prototype, and to know about the keyboard accessibility and these all things navigation part, how they can move easily in a linear way. And if we talk about the cognitive load, means whether they are easily remember or learn from one of the example or one of the a practice, they just have this application and they started moving their fingers in a keyboard like a up, down and the enter key, and later if they get again another module. So whether they are able to easily recognize the volume, like here I have given in a like type into password or something. So there is a one alert sound is coming. So it is easy to understand them, like yeah, we need to enter or we need to type the password. So overall this application, if we look at this, so it is a much simpler than the navigating complex tree like web page using the standard web browser. And here we are not more focusing on the color. And next, keyboard 100% accessibility is given, and text to speech and screen reader, it is working, and it depend on the like a browser compatibility. So generally here I am just this prototype is using the Google Assistance. So if it is enabled while it is developing, so in that moment we can have that screen reader library, so it will work fine. So overall we are going to see the flow, which is a complete linear way, and it is whether the navigation part is understandable to user or not. So instruction is given, and type field alert sound is given, and whenever they want to print, so they can have that enter. So that how to use that is provided in a one of the module. So we'll go back and we'll see here information architecture. If you look at the information architecture, you'll find out it is a really a simpler linear flow where we are just going to the level 1 to level 2. If it is a sub module, means a sub part, so it is coming down and again it is going to the dashboard. See, if we'll look at this, here is the menu list. Once we come under the dashboard, we have the option for going back to the dashboard screen. If we have some more, so we have the different back button. So back, here is a back button, it will go to the general insurance. If again we have the back button which is going to the types of insurance available with us, and then the dashboard screen. So each module consisted with the dashboard and the previous screen. And the flow. So here also we can have this like a dashboard screen. We have the module like how to use this application, help related to internet banking, help to buy insurance. So here we have these two branches like a life insurance and a general insurance, and in general insurance we have the multiple branches, and all are in a similar way. They have the detail page, then printing form, then go back to general insurance, or go back to buy insurance, or go back to dashboard. So in a linear manner they can move to the back, and the text field like they can enter, and application how to use, they can have that content. So I have started with the wireframe where I have just a sketch of this landing page, then how we can provide a like a keyboard accessibility, because it is a little tough to using the keyboard instead of mouse. So generally if people will look at the prototype, so they will started moving the mouse, whether it is working or not. So for that reason I have added this introduction about app, where they can find out. Yeah, so try from the keyboard, press down arrow key to proceed, and here it is also mentioned like a use keyboard to operate this application. So in sign in, and the different color manners, which is selected, and this volume icon is visible, and if it is not speaking, it is like it is not given the volume, so kind of muted. So typing password, already they have the there is the one alert, and it will say like one alert sound, and they can type. So after creating this wireframe, thought about lot about the colors and all schemes, and then created this prototype screens which we already saw. So I will add the link for this case study and prototype and description, so you can check this. And some of the future enhancement, so there is a lot of future enhancement is required, because I have just given the basic navigation and the basic modules I have added, so where we can have the search, so the people can have that search, so they can type and they can find out easily. And then document verification process, they can find out, scan the document, and they can find out, yeah, whether it is right or wrong document. And if we look at this, it is really easy to sending email to a customer, whether they have successfully done their login, or they are their password is getting expired and they have to submit the KYC form, or some of the pending requests are there. So here sending a mail is also one of the module which we can add. And then internet banking password reset. So password reset is also easy, as while they are entering the username, customer ID and their name, and they can have the password reset if internet banking is not working because of some long period and they didn't use it. So in that manner they can have the OTP and they can enter. So these all modules we can have it, or we can add it in a future enhancement. So here it is just a simple navigation and some of the module which I have added. So how it is working. So how is the application? Please write on comment, and please let me know if need some more enhancement in this prototype. Thank you very much.